Our next speaker is from Envoy Textiles, and I'm Rahman Topgar.
Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mr. Enam from Envoy Textiles Limited. We will be presenting you this presentation from practical orientation. Before that, I go into the details of the presentation. So I would like to have a little bit of orientation of Envoy Textiles Limited. So Envoy Textiles Limited is the first rope denim factory, established its function for 2008, and they manufacture 100% of denim product and they export. The yearly production capacity is 50 million years, and the weight range is 4.5 ounce to 14.75 ounce, having wide variation. And this factory is located at Jamildia Bhaluka, that is almost 70 kilometers away from Dhaka city. The total area is 170.2 billion. So these are our valuable partners, as you can see on the screen. Our achievement and confidence. So the achievements are the World Customer Organization Award 2015, ISBN National Award, that is silver for year 2014, the highest export award, that is gold for the year 2009-2010, and Batexpo Awards, export awards 2011 and 12. Besides this, the confidence, that is we follow ISO 9001, 14001, Ocotex, and other things that you can see on the screen. To understand the practical orientation of this sustainability, so these are the three sectors that we consider, that is environment, social and economic. So in the environmental sustainability development, efficiency resources, then your environmental sound and social responsibility we follow. The social sustainability development is employee working condition, the overall atmosphere at the factory, so that we can work better there in the factory area. And finally, of course, it is economy. So economical balance in all aspects. So you can see, this was the, opportunity given by PACT. If you see here in the slide, so these are the area, this is the reduction opportunity that we had. For reduction of water, it was 6%. So out of this 6%, we could achieve 4.67%. Accordingly, the natural gas consumption, it was given 1% from the practical orientation of our factory operation. So we could achieve, it is 89%. And the power consumption is reduced, again, it is 0.49%. And carbon emission, it is 68%, and accordingly the steam is 21%. These all are the practical experience that occurred at our factory, and we could achieve accordingly. And the investment of this project or the implementation part, you can see the total investment that is given in the slide. The payback system is 1 year to 1.5 years. We can get it back. The implementation and major outcomes of our this whole system that we follow, that is cooling, water recovery from gas changing machine. The total investment is 6 lakh plus. So outcome is 10,264 meter cube per year. So payback time is 16 months. And the cycle that we follow, you can see on the screen. On the other side, the heat and water recovery from condensed, that is investment is 19 lakh plus, that's 50,000 taka BDT. So outcome is, you can see in water, there is 8,870 meter cube per year. Then greenhouse gases, it is 124 tons. This natural gas, it is 63,043 meter cube per year. The total payback time is 6 months. The process that we follow, you can see the diagram as well. Then the minimizing heat losses from the steam and other things. So insulation part we did. So this project work, once the pact has already they have the audit and they suggested, before that we already completed that project. So ultimately the investment is zero, but the outcome you can see, it is really good. So within the 3 months of our project completion, so we could make it sustainable there. And also the energy saving. So we had been trying to reduce the energy consumption. So normally you see the tube lights that we normally use at our factory, it was T8. So from T8 we reduced to T5, and thereby we could reduce this carbon emission nicely. And the payback time is 33 months that we are planning, so it will be done accordingly. The other activities that we do follow at our factory, there is reuse of ETP water. We normally use this thing for, there would have one less pond, and we reuse for cultivation. We reuse this thing for our toilet flash water, irrigation, fire hydrant, all those places that we do use. And the outcome of this water, you can see, it is 220,000 meter cube per year. The savings. Skylight that we do follow that one. The investment is almost 3 lakhs taka BDT. So total 40 skylight we have fixed or installed at our factory. So thereby we have reduced the current, electricity consumption is 9,360 kilowatt per year. Ensuring friendly, complete supply chain. This is the supply chain that, as per the world standard, that is GOTS and OCS, the standard we follow. You can see on the screen. We try to develop our system, and definitely we want to remain natural or environment friendly. The social sustainable development of ETL, you can see the practice labor law rules 2015 as per the government declaration, then comply the buyer's ethical guidelines, ensure employees' health and safety issues, ensuring corporate governance, upgrading fire safety environment that is complying as per the international standard, enhancing employees' motivation, conducted different types of social compliance audit, and finally, quality living of our lifestyle. These are the points that we follow for sustainable development at ETL. Of course, finally, it is the economic side. So initial operating cost, definitely it will be little high, but slowly and gradually after 1.5 years or so, the operating cost has to reduce and the profit margin will increase slowly and gradually. So in the slide you can see we are trying to follow, and already you have implemented many points, and accordingly we are getting the results. So that's all from Envoy Textiles Limited. So thank you. We think that we should go green, and we are trying for this thing. Thank you very much.
A range of organizations, people, agencies, businesses that need to be involved in sustainability. So it's not simply the factory, the mill, or the chemical company, or the brand, or technical support from international development agencies. All together we need to do this.